What if some of the coolest car gadgets on Amazon could actually make your drive better? From clever tech to surprisingly useful inventions, today we're checking out some of the most interesting car accessories you can get right now. If you love discovering cool car finds, keep watching. And if something catches your eye, you'll find all the links down in the description. Let's get into it. Tired of your phone mount wobbling or falling off mid-drive? This one locks securely to your air vent, holds even big phones steady. One-hand operation, easy to dock and undock while you drive. 360-degree rotation lets you switch between portrait and landscape. Once you try this, you'll never go back to flimsy mounts. Looking for a simple upgrade to make your drive better? This clever gadget solves an annoying problem you didn't know you had. Quality build works exactly as advertised. Affordable upgrade that makes a big difference daily. Another great Amazon car find you didn't know you needed. Too much sun glare and heat coming through your windows? This tint kit blocks UV rays and keeps your car cooler. Easy DIY installation with clear instructions included. Reduces glare for safer driving and protects your interior. Make your drive more comfortable and private. Looking for a simple upgrade to make your drive better? This clever gadget solves an annoying problem you didn't know you had. Quality build works exactly as advertised. Affordable upgrade that makes a big difference daily. Another great Amazon car find you didn't know you needed. And that's it for today's gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more cool car accessories, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to check out any of the gadgets featured today, all the links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.